Hello guys, how to delete any Google services such as how to delete Gmail account, how to delete YouTube, how to delete Blogger. Such Google services, if you want to delete it, then you can easily delete it. To do so, launch your Google Chrome browser and here go to your Gmail account and here click on your profile icon and here choose manage your Google account. Click on it. Here we will discuss how to delete Gmail account also and how to delete YouTube account also. Here from the top menu bar, click on manage your data and privacy under privacy and personalization section and here scroll down in data and privacy, scroll down and you will find the option scroll down and look for delete Google services, download or delete your data. Here you will find two options, download your data and delete a Google service. So choose delete a Google service and here you will find a list of your Google services, YouTube, Gmail, Play Games, Google Pay and Blogger. Simply delete the option against each which you want to delete. How to delete Blogger account, how to delete YouTube account, how to delete Gmail account, all such solution is here. Simply delete it. That's all.